What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you clicked on that thumbnail, then you most likely saw the Limco 400A. I was able to score this thing on Facebook Marketplace of all things. I was actually surfing through marketplaces. Me and my wife were shopping, and came upon this thing, and it was 4 hours from me, and it was an insane deal. So I sent the lady a message. It was actually at a tow company. They were actually selling the business to somebody else, and they were retiring. So they just wanted out of there. So I got a screaming deal on this thing, and let me show it to you. So this is a Limco 400A. So my understanding, these were built in the 40s or 50s from the documentation that I can find online. And this is a 60-ton press. It is manual. It does have a cylinder leak, which I'm fine with. I'll get to that. I'll get it fixed. But it's got some it's pretty awesome, honestly, for something this age. And there's some attachments to it that I don't have that I'd like to find. So I guess here on the left side of the machine, there was an arbor press that would have came on this machine when it was new. If you're watching this video and you do have a Limco 400A with the original attachments, and it's going to go to scrap or whatever, or if you just have pictures of one that's complete, I would really like to see them. So if you could send me those or get a hold of me, I would really appreciate that. I really like these heavy pieces of iron equipment to either restore or use in the shop, because you really just don't find them like this anymore. And they've really had some interesting features that are just awesome in my opinion. So check this out. So this thing, the cylinder is not stationary. The cylinder on this thing has a little rack on it. So you turn this handle and you can move the cylinder from left to right. I just thought that was super awesome. Just because you can't really find any kind of decent press that, and this is pretty cool too. So you can like lower this down and then lock it back into place. That way you don't have to have a bunch of spacers involved or move the bridge up. You can just lower the cylinder down with it, and then it just retracts right back up. So I thought that was pretty awesome. The bridge, as I call it, down there, I mean, it is filthy, don't get me wrong. This thing, basically a little gear reduction, so you can raise and lower this up and down. The main pump cylinder has a bath. It's basically a bath feature that goes to the pump, open and close. Your pressure, your pressure gauge. So the people that owned it used it for So the people that actually own this press at the tow truck place had it somewhere around 25 years. From the documentation that I have found, or the sales pamphlet, they were made in the 40s or 50s. They bought it from a farmer, basically, that was in their area, and put it to use because they had tow trucks, and they only used it to push out kingpins. That's the only thing they said they ever used it for in that 25 years. The cylinder leaks, that needs rebuilt, but I'll get to that. And like I said, if you do have one of these presses, I definitely want to hear from you. Shoot me a message and shoot me some pictures of it. I'd love to see it. Thanks for watching.